channel. In today's video, I will be telling you the names of the animals. Hope you enjoy the video. Let's get started. Cat, gato. Cat, gato. Last time, cat, gato. Cow, vaca, cow, vaca. One more time, cow, vaca, cow, vaca, cow, vaca. Here, one more time, here we go. Cow, vaca, cow, vaca, cow, vaca. Last time, cow, vaca, cow, vaca, cow, vaca, cow, vaca. Bird, pássaro, bird, pássaro, bird, pássaro. Last time, bird, pássaro, pássaro, bird, pássaro. Zebra, 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 zebra. One more time, zebra, 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 zebra. Last time, zebra, zebra. Dog, cachorro, dog, cachorro. Last time, dog, cachorro. Turtle, tartaruga, turtle, tartaruga, here we go. Last time, turtle, tartaruga, turtle, tartaruga, here we go. One more time, turtle, tartaruga. Last time, turtle, tartaruga, turtle, tartaruga. Turtle, tartaruga, turtle, tartaruga. Last time, turtle, tartaruga. Thank you all so much for watching today's video. I want to see if you guys can like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell in only 5 seconds. I hope you guys are ready because here goes the countdown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. If you guys completed the 5-second challenge, I want you to comment down below what color is your hair. Thank you all. If you could do that, that means a lot to me, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye. Bye.